Okay, so some of this you have already done, but I'll just start from scratch for those of you that weren't here. What you would do is at the top where it says balance, it's very hard to see, but it's right next to where it said deposit on your transaction sheet. You fill that $3,672.27. And then we fill in the rest of it. So for DeWitt's Auto Body, that was check number. I actually wrote a physical check, and that was number 3271, which is where this number is coming from. And then the date, where they wrote it, and then how much it was for. It's a payment, so that means we subtract that amount. And notice we're skipping lines here, and that's so we have room to actually write down what we're subtracting. Do I need to make something bigger, Angela?
I am blind.
Oh, you're blind. Is it over here?
Yeah.
Okay. 7 minus 2 is 5, 9, 1951.27. Right? Cool. So we got yesterday. Yeah? Woohoo! I'm a little more awake today. Got a whole extra hour of sleep. Instead of waking up at 4, I didn't have to get up until 5. Yeah, it was awesome. Okay. So now the next one. It was check number 3272, written on May 7th. Actual check. This was written to Kate's Guitar Hut for strings. Again, this is an amount that they actually wrote, a payment. So that's $32.50. So we're going to subtract that $32.50. And so well, that's how much we have. That's our running balance, $1918.77. Then the next one doesn't have anything in the first column because it's a deposit. It was written on May 9th. It's her paycheck. Or his. It's his. It's a Nick. His name's Nick. Okay, so this deposit amount is $821.53. So this time we're adding because it's a deposit. Line those up very well. You get $2,740.30. So that's like a running balance is what that is. Then E stands for an electronic check. So that's when you pay for something online. It could be paying a bill, in this case Verizon Wireless. On May 10th, this one is a payment. It's $101.50 that he paid for his phone bill, I'm assuming. So we subtract that. Oops, still be a 2. $2,638.80 is now how much he has. And the last one is electronic check again. This one's to the cable company on May 10th. It's going to be a payment again. So the payment this time is $138.90. And that's how much we end up with. And of course you can use a calculator there. Okay, so once we had that all filled out, we were just supposed to determine the balance, which we did, would be the final amount. So now that we've finished that lesson, what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the assignment that goes with this lesson from today. If you have anything you have to fill in on these transactions or a deposit slip, you can use the other side of this sheet, those sheets, that I gave you yesterday, and for you two that I gave you today. You have today to work on this in class. If you don't finish it, then just make sure you finish it at some point, although I really think you will. It's pretty short. And then I will send the quiz.